In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a contract on Honeybook. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or anyone in need of a professional contract, Honeybook provides a seamless way to manage your client agreements. Let's dive right in and explore this user-friendly platform together. First, you'll want to head over to your Honeybook dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the side menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options that help you manage different aspects of your business. For now, we're going to focus on the My Templates section. So go ahead and select My Templates. This area is your go-to for creating and managing all of your document templates, including contracts, invoices, and more. Next, you'll want to click on Create New. This button is your gateway to starting a fresh document. After clicking it, you'll see several options depending on your needs. Since today we're focusing on contracts, make sure to select Contract. By doing this, you're choosing to create a new contract template from scratch, which you can customize according to your specific project or client requirements. Now comes the creative part, selecting a layout. Honeybook offers a range of layouts to suit different types of projects and branding needs. If you're working on a creative project, you might want a layout that allows for both text and visual elements. This is a great way to incorporate your brand's colors, logos, or any other visual details that make your contracts not just legally sound, but also aesthetically pleasing. Take your time to browse through the options and select one that reflects your style and professionalism. Once you've chosen your layout, it's time to dive into the details of your contract. Start by inserting clauses. Clauses are essential in defining the terms and conditions of your agreement. Think about what's important for your particular project and make sure to cover all bases. This could include payment terms, deliverables, deadlines, and any other specific agreements between you and your client. Honeybook also offers smart fields, which are a fantastic feature that can save you loads of time. Smart fields automatically populate client-specific details like names, addresses, or project titles throughout your contract. This ensures consistency and minimizes the risk of errors, giving both you and your client peace of mind. Finally, don't forget to add signature lines. This is where both you and your client will sign to formalize the agreement. In Honeybook, you can easily add these lines by dragging and dropping them into the appropriate places in your contract. This digital signature capability means you can finalize agreements quickly and efficiently without the need for paper and pen. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a professional, customized contract on Honeybook. Remember, a well-crafted contract not only protects your interests, but also sets clear expectations for your clients. It reflects your professionalism and dedication to delivering quality service. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to create a contract on Honeybook. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your business efficiently. Happy contracting!